Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fauzia's Random Collection. Today we are going to see experiment video, first time experiment video. So put subscribe and click the bell button and put bell button in all that you can get all the notification when we are putting video. It will come to you, then you can see immediately. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel who are not subscribed. So let's go into the video. So you are seeing balloon in my hand. So this balloon is for doing the experiment with orange skin. You can say orange skin and the balloon, blue balloon, orange color, orange skin. So I saw it like in the newspaper, regular going to shoppers in the newspaper, like if you put the balloon and the orange skin, like you squeeze it in the balloon, the water touch, the balloon burst. So we are going to try that today. So let's go into the experiment. So this is my first time channel, so click the thumbs up and you please like my video. That's only thumbs up. So we are going to start. So let's start. The balloon, and here's the orange piece. When I squeeze the orange piece, the juice from it goes touch the balloon and the balloon bursts. So we are going to try it now. So in 3, 2, 1. What water is there? So guys, success. So I told water is there, the water is there in the balloon. I was talking to myself. So guys, experiment success. You can try it in the home. This is a home trying experiment. So please try it and put in the comment box below. So thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and click the bell button. Put all. So bye guys.